Welcome to Green Simplicity. It's your girl Tooka, and this is a new episode of my zero waste journey. The detergent industry is one of the leading industries in the market that sells all kinds of toxic products in sturdy plastic containers. Now, we're made to believe that we need a different cleaning agent for different parts of the household, but that is very wrong, and I'm here to prove that to you guys today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 cleaning products that I stopped buying altogether, and I will be sharing with you guys some of the alternatives that I've been using instead. Doing so, I not only save a lot of money, but I've also reduced my waste greatly. Before we get into this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you do have any comments, please make sure you leave it down below. I would be more than happy to respond. So the first item that I've completely cut out is a fabric softener. We're made to believe that we need fabric softeners, but it is not a necessity. You can wash your clothes just with laundry powder or detergent and you're well off. And my laundry powder comes in cardboard paper. It's been 5 years that I haven't used any fabric softeners. What I do instead is to opt for high quality textile materials so that they last longer and they don't become coarse too quickly. Also, I avoid synthetics as much as possible. The next item that I completely avoid buying are floor detergents. Floor detergents are highly toxic, and I have a pet, so I don't want the floors to have any type of chemicals, residues on them. What I use instead, especially now because of the virus, we want to keep the houses clean, so I do use a little bit of dishwashing liquid and white vinegar, and I mix that in with water and I clean all of the floors and they remain spotless. The third item that I don't buy anymore are bathroom detergents. I use baking soda for the entire bathroom, and I also don't use a sponge to clean the bathroom. I use a brush instead. I just want to throw it in there. There are certain things that I have to clean, like my tatami, my shoes. I also only use laundry powder for all of these things, and I scrub them all down with the brush and leave them to dry in the sun. The next item that I don't purchase are electric stove cleaners because they're highly toxic. I just use regular dishwashing soap to clean the entire thing, and if there are those hard gunks that I can't get out, then I put some baking soda on it, a few drops of water, and I just scrub it down with a metal sponge, and it cleans it out just fine. The next item that I don't use are window cleaners. Window cleaners are very toxic as well, and they're completely unnecessary. This is probably the last bottle of window cleaner that I purchased a year and a half ago, and I just fill it up with white vinegar and water, and I clean all my mirrors and all of my windows. If we reduce our purchase of diverse cleaning products, then the demand will lower and the industry will automatically cut out its supplies, and that way we'll have less toxic materials in the environment and we will have a lot less plastic. Please take my advice and reduce the number of cleaning products that you have in your household. You will breathe in less chemical residues, you will save a lot of money, and you will reduce your plastic waste. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.